Right now, an app on your phone could track every dollar you spend. Predict your bank balance 3 weeks from today, and even negotiate your bills down, without you lifting a finger. So why are so many people still broke? Personal finance is really two different jobs wearing one name. One job is mechanical, tracking, categorizing, calculating, reminding. The other is deeply personal, deciding what actually matters to you, what a purchase is worth, what trade-offs you're willing to make. AI has gotten remarkably good at the first job. It hasn't come close to the second. Confusing the two is exactly where people get into trouble. Categorizing spending. Spotting a subscription you forgot you were paying for. Flagging an unusual charge before you even notice it. Predicting your account balance based on upcoming bills. Negotiating a lower rate on things like insurance or internet by comparing offers at a scale no person has time for. This is pattern matching and repetitive analysis, exactly what these systems are built for, and exactly the part of money management most people avoid because it's tedious, not because it's hard. If you're not using any automated tool to track spending and catch forgotten subscriptions, that's the lowest effort, highest value place to start. It's the part of money management you were never actually supposed to be doing manually. An AI tool can tell you that you spent 40% more on dining out this month. It can't tell you whether that was a mistake or the best money you spent all year, because it was your best friend's last month in town. It can flag that a purchase is unnecessary by spending pattern logic. It has no idea what that purchase actually meant to you. Treat every AI recommendation about your spending as information, not as a verdict. The tool can show you the pattern. Only you can decide if the pattern is a problem. The people getting real results from AI money tools aren't handing over full control. They're using automation for the boring, repetitive 80%, tracking, alerts, reminders, comparisons, and keeping the remaining 20%, the actual decisions about goals and values, firmly in their own hands. That 20% is where your actual financial life gets built. The 80% is just what used to get in the way of building it. Once a month, ask one human question the tool can't answer. Does this reflect what I actually care about? That single check-in is the part no tool replaces. The real risk isn't that AI mismanages your money. It's that convenience quietly turns into disengagement. You stop actually looking because something is handling it. Automation should buy you back attention for the decisions that matter, not give you permission to stop paying attention altogether. Pick one number to actually look at yourself every week, not through a summary notification, but by opening the account directly. That habit alone keeps you the one in charge. AI can absolutely manage your money better than you do, at the parts of money management that were never really about you in the first place. The parts that are about you, what you value, what you're building toward, what trade-offs are worth making, still need a human in the room. That human is still you.